Before you scroll, listen carefully. Your iPhone is one of the most powerful devices you own, and that's exactly why it can be dangerous. Not dangerous like it will explode, but dangerous because of what it knows about you. I'm not here to scare you, I'm here to help you understand. Subscribe if you want clear, honest breakdowns about your iPhone and Apple technology. Your iPhone knows where you are. Not just right now, but where you go every day, how long you stay there, and how often you return. Work, home, friends' places, even places you visit once and forget. Your iPhone remembers. It also knows how you behave. What apps you open first in the morning. What you search for late at night. What you like, what you watch, what you ignore. Over time, this creates a digital profile of you, your habits, your routine, your patterns. Most people think, Apple cares about privacy, so I'm safe. But here's the truth. Privacy depends on your settings, not the logo on your phone. Every time an app asks for permission and you tap Allow, you give away a little more access. Location, photos, microphone, background activity. One tap looks small, but many taps over time become full access. Your photos are analyzed. Your movements are logged. Your usage is tracked. Apple says this data is used to improve your experience, and that may be true, but the danger is not knowing what you've allowed and forgetting to check. So why is your iPhone dangerous? Because it knows your life better than you think. And because most people never stop to ask what their phone is collecting. The phone is not the problem. Not understanding it is. Check your settings. Control your permissions. Because the most dangerous thing is a powerful device in your pocket that you don't fully understand.